What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Trading Like Magic. And today is August 17, 2021 and we are on greed. Coin Gecko today. I see Bitcoin and Ethereum flat today. Rest of the altcoins are doing flat today too. Only Polkadot 6.8% and Solana is 9.3% up. But Solana is doing great for the past 7 days. 78%. Terra 20% up today. Top performers of the day. Audio 93.9% up. Avalanche 24.4% up. Luna 20% up. XS 19% up. Sushi 16.9% up. The rest SafeMoon. And for the past 7 days, Audio is 132.8% up. Luna 83.2% up. Axie Infinity 82.1% up. Solana 78% up. Phantom 57.7% up. Avax 49.1% up. Clay 47.8% up. Crypto bubbles, everything looks great right now. Only SafeMoon is red. So Audio, Axie, Infinity, Luna, Solana, Qtom, Avax, Shib is 18% up. XRP, Clay, Link, MATIC 31.6% up. Right on. Looks good, guys. Looks good. But before we go to the chart, if you have the chance to like my video, that's all I ask. Crypto index on the daily chart. We broke on this descending channel. And right now it's creating a wedge. And on the 4-hour chart, I see this wedge and my count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like the fifth wave is extended. Last week I saw this ascending channel, but looks like it didn't it broke on the descending channel. Right now it's creating an ascending wedge inside the ascending wedge. So let's see, it might go for a correction. Bitcoin on the monthly chart, I see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already almost reached the golden ratio, which is 0.618, but the price already popped up. So guys, every day I told you guys, I've been mentioning this, guys, July, August would be a green month. Since May, guys, I told you guys, May, June, July, August would be a green month, and it did. So September, we might see a red candle, a pullback, but don't worry about it. October, November, December would be another green month. So our target would be the all-time high, but remember September we might have a pullback. So Bitcoin on the daily chart, talk about this. It has to break on this trend line, and it did. And we also talk about this 200 moving average that has to break, and it did. And we are on a megaphone pattern. We have a resistance here. Let's see if the price will break on this resistance and the top of the megaphone or expanding wedge. If this is A, B, C, so for sure this would be your first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be our bullish scenario. And our bearish scenario would be if the price, if this one is 2, 3, 4, if this is going to fifth wave, we might come here at somewhere at 20,000 or 25,000. That's the bearish scenario if this one is the fourth leg. So guys, I posted this one last August 7 and we are here now. So we are on in decisive stage right now. I also posted this one last August 16. I see this ascending wedge, so let's see if the price will go up and go for a correction. Okay, this one, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. I posted this one because this one created a bullish pennant. It went up, but it went back again. So right now it's just doing sideways. Ethereum on the monthly chart, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar to Bitcoin chart, we are now on the fifth wave. We might see a pullback next month, but there's no guarantee. On the 4-hour chart, I see a wedge and an ascending channel, so we might see a correction going, but I could be wrong, guys. Qtom, I posted this one last August 11. Ta-da! It's like magic, guys. Right now, it's creating another flag. I actually post another, so this is my post on August 15. Went up, but it went down again. So right now it's creating another, like a descending channel and another small version of flag. So let's see what will happen. Dogecoin, I posted this one July 21st. Ta-da! So right now it reached from here, it reached up to 34 cents. So it went for a pullback. I sold somewhere here, I gained 40%. So yeah, guys, you have to take profits along the way, guys. Just remember that, guys. Yeah, so we are now in the fifth wave, so we might see a correction. So let's see. Actually, looks like so right now, guys, I see a rising wedge here, so let's be careful. So looks like it's going to go for a correction. Took a profit already here, so if the price goes down, I'll buy more. Shiba, August 25th, I posted this one. Ta-da! Just like magic. So right now it's right here, and let's go to the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart, I mentioned last time, it looks like a bullish pennant, and the price went up. So let's see if the price will still go up. So ICP, I posted this one last July 28th. Ta-da! Looks like it's creating another pattern here, another triangle here. So let's see. Storj, I posted this one last July 18th. Ta-da! Like magic, guys. So from here, 8 cents to $2. Almost double your money, guys. That's why I like altcoins. Double your money in a month. 22 to August, almost a month. Just remember, take profits along the way. I think that's it. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. And that's it, guys. I'll like and share my videos. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. I love you.